Hey guys, for all the details on this kinky curly half wig from ISEE Hair with all the details on this style, make sure to keep watching.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into another half wig from ISEE Hair. So as you can see, the top of my hair is already done. I'm going to talk you through all of that and then give you the specs of this half wig as well. So you have seen me review half wigs in the past and I have like blended my leave outs with the half wig, but today we are not doing that. So I actually just went and got my hair braided, just the front half of my hair braided into tribal braids from my braider. If you're in St. Louis, make sure you check out Style by J. I'm going to put all of her information down in the description box below. She is a doll. So she actually braided the front of my hair. I actually did the Bantu knots myself because I was in a rush and needed to get to my daughter's gymnastics performance. So let me actually just talk to you about the front of my hair, the braid down and all of that first, and then we'll get into the specs of the half wig. So as you can see, the front of my hair is braided down. Now the rest of my hair is just braided down for like a wig install or crochet, or it's just whatever kind of braids here in the back. Now these are optional. You can always just slick your hair back into a ponytail and be done. But she was so kind to braid the back of my hair down, so I don't really have to worry about it at all. So with the braids, I will actually just take one of these Bantu knots down and we will just tuck it out really quickly. All right, so here is my inspiration that I got off of TikTok. This girl has her hair braided with a half wig in the back and then has this pretty much exact same hairstyle in the front with the Bantu knot. So this was my inspiration. This is kind of the look that I was going for. Now the braids in the front, you could get whatever design that you would like. I just told her, you know, just do whatever, but she did pretty much exactly what is in this video. So what I did was every 3 braids I put into a ponytail with an elastic band. And if you're not in a rush, then your braider will probably be able to do this, but I'm just going to talk you through it just in case you just get it braided and they don't do the Bantu knots. Okay, so just combined every 2 or 3 braids because I wanted 6 buns. So I just kind of had to divide those out, do some mathematics and divide it out. So every 3 braids, I combined it to a ponytail, and then I got these blue perm rods. And they come in a pack like this. I got them from my local beauty supply. Comes with maybe 10 or so in the pack, maybe a little bit more, maybe 10. Okay, so I just used 1 pack. So you only need 1 pack. And all that you are going to do is start here at the top, like where she knotted the braid. So start here at the top and then just twist around just like this. And then once you get to the end, that is okay. So you just keep going back over. Secure, just like this. And so you are going to dip all of these braids that you put into these curls into hot water. So boil some water on the stove, dip it into the hot water, and then just kind of wring it out with your towel and then take it out. Separate the curls out and you are good to go. So I did this maybe like a week or so ago, but at that point all you're going to do is like kind of twist the braids together and then you're just going to do some Bantu knots. So twist the braids as you're twisting around. And make sure not to make it super duper tight, because if you're doing this right when you get your hair braided, your braids are going to be tight. You do not want a headache. So just twist, twist, twist around. And then when I get to the curly part, I'm still going to twist, making sure that it's like right there at the base. but also I'm going to separate out just one of the curls, leave it be, and then just twist the rest around. So just like this, because I kind of just want it to be a little bit messy looking. So there we have it. So that explains the front of my hair. So now let's get into the specs of this half wig. So this wig was sent to me from ISEE Hair, and I'm actually going to just stop right here so I can show you the construction of this wig first, and then also me defining the curls really quickly, and then we'll come back. I'll give you all the specs that you need to know. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So ISEE Hair always sends their boxes in these beautiful gift bags. I think it's so super cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the box and open up the paper. So of course, in the box, we have the unit. You'll see this more in just a moment, but it is Kinky Curly. It is 18 inches. Inside the box, we have a pack of wig caps. We have an extra elastic band for the inside of the unit. We have an elastic band with the Velcro on the back, which we will not need because we're not blending lace. We also have this little card here with tips of how to care for the hair, and we have this little brochure here to show how to care for the hair, how to install, as well as their contact information. So now let's go ahead and take this beauty out of the bag. So I'm taking it out of the bag, out of the netting, taking the paper off, and as you can see, this unit already comes with an elastic band installed in the inside of the unit. So you have two. You have one that's already installed for you, and then an extra one just in case you need it. Now, the construction of this unit, we have a comb in the front, two combs on the side, one in the back. And as you can see, we have adjustable straps and the drawstring. Now, the top of this unit has that kind of flip over effect. So no tracks will be seen at all. Nothing will be detected once we install this unit. I think the construction on this unit is absolutely perfect. So I did dye this unit before I did install, and I just used some Adore. I boiled a pot of hot water and then just poured the Adore dye into that pot, swished it around, just stir it up just a little bit, and just making sure there's no clumps of dye. And then I submerged the unit into that pot for maybe 5 minutes. Just let it sit, leave it alone, and then I took it out and it absorbed that color perfectly. So now I'm going to go ahead and define the curls on this unit. I'm using a flat brush and some Lotta Body, my favorite product to define curls, and I'm taking layers down of the unit and just separating the curls and twisting the ends around my finger to kind of clump those curls together. We want these curls to be big and juicy and defined. I like to define the curls on my mannequin head. I just don't like walking around with wet hair or trying to diffuse the curls. This is just so much more of an easier process for me personally, because I could just let the unit air dry overnight. So just define my curls the night before and I am good to go the next day. You really don't have to do a lot on your head. The unit is ready to go for you the very next day. So again, just bringing down layers of the hair, combing through with my flat brush, and then just twisting pieces of that hair around my finger to clump those curls together at the bottom. And that is pretty much it. You're going to just do the same thing through the rest of the unit. So bringing down layers of hair until you're all the way up to the top. And this is what those curls will look like after you're all done. So you could leave it on your mannequin head to dry overnight, or you could just hang it up with a skirt hanger, which is what I did. All right, so this is ISEE Hair's Wear and Go half wig. It is a coily curly half wig, seamless kinky curly flip over wig, beginner friendly. So this is 18 inches long. So they do have lengths 14 inches all the way up to 26 inches, but for the 18-inch length is $145.14. Now, if the fact that I do have a promo code, I am going to put that down in the description. They usually provide a promo code for me to give you some monies off, so it won't necessarily be $145. It'll be less than that for sure. I believe this is 180% density. Now they do have 180% density and 250% density. So I believe this is the 180% density. But here is the curls. They came out absolutely beautiful. So as you saw when I defined the curls with a lot of body, I did just hang it up to dry overnight. What I mean by hanging up to dry, I just take a skirt hanger, and this is one of my daughter's hangers, but just clip it on and then just hang it into my shower, and that is it. Just put it on the shower rod, let it air dry overnight. So here we go. Let's go ahead and install. So as you saw, the back of my hair is just braided down. So what we are going to do, actually I'm not going to insert this middle comb because my braids are still kind of tight, but I am going to insert these 2 side combs. So what you're going to want to do is just put the unit where you want, and then I am going to go ahead and just put the comb into this side braid here. Same thing on this side, just inserting the comb into the side braid here, and it's going to be nice and flat there at the top. Now in the back, we do have a back comb as well. Insert that back comb in the back of my hair. Drawstring here in the back. All you're going to do is pull on it. Make sure all your braids are kind of tucked in. And with the end of the drawstring, I am just going to tuck it here in the back into the side of the unit. Now you can put a wig cap on top of your braids and all that, but I just choose not to. So here is what it looks like here in the front, and I am absolutely obsessed. It goes super duper well with these little curls up here. The texture and everything, absolutely gorge. So again, it does come in a natural black color, but I did dye it to a jet black color. It's given very much so like a bohemian look, and I absolutely love that. This is so pretty. And with the way that this half wig is made, there are no tracks exposed. So even though we are not blending our leave out with this unit, it's seamless. Like nobody would be able to tell that this is a half wig. They would think it's a sew-in, a quick weave, or something like that, or even your own hair. Like if I had texture like this, people would think this was my own hair. So this turned out absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you all a close-up of the texture again. Honestly, I just really love the convenience of a half wig because it just gives like you really got your hair done. So let me actually turn around so I can show you all angles. So of course the side and the back, side again, and front. So I think the 180% density is just right for this specific style. Now if I did want a full head look, then I would go for the higher density, but this is absolutely perfect. It's like vacation hair. Gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So love the texture of this unit, love the feel of it. The hair is so extremely soft. Like ISEE hair has really good quality curly hair. Like if you don't take anything else from this video, take that away. ISEE hair has some really good curly hair. Just look how juicy and defined these curls came out. Absolutely stunning. The hair took color very well. It's soft, no tangling, no shedding, all A's across the board, A's across the board. And I love the construction of this unit. We have that drawstring in the back. We have the flip over effect here, so we really don't have to blend our hair whatsoever. We have versatility, so if you did want to wear this as a half wig with your hairline out, you can wear it as a half up, half down. You can wear it as a flip over. You can put a headband on with it, or you can braid down the front like I did for a different type of look. So before I let you go, well, I don't have any negatives. I don't have any negatives with this unit, but before I let you go, I did want to try on some of my other ISEE hair half wigs with this look, just so that you could get some versatility. So this one here is the Kinky curly texture. So again, a close-up. Love this texture. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now this one is their water wave texture. I reviewed this one a couple of videos back. I believe this one is 16 inches, but also a very cute look. A little shorter. The curls are a little looser, but let me turn around. So here's what the back looks like. This is also super duper cute. Now, if you're looking for something more sleek, then they have their Yaki straight texture. So that's this one here. And I believe this one is 20 inches long. I actually just posted this one not too long ago, and I did a half up, half down look with this one. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see this. So side, back, side, and front again. So the front of this hair really makes this versatile. Really, a half wig itself is super duper versatile because you can wear it so many different ways. But I kind of just wanted to show you something different today, show you how you can switch it up so it's just not the same old that you've been seeing. So before I let you go, I briefly want to talk about the comfortability of this unit. So the combs fit very, very comfortable into my hair. It feels like I really have no combs in my head all day. It's super duper comfortable to wear for long periods of time. But I do take it off at the end of the night. So I will take the half wig off, just put it onto my mannequin head, and then just wrap my hair up so I can sleep very, very comfortably overnight. And then the next day I will go ahead and just install the half wig again. As you saw, it only takes maybe 2 minutes or 60 seconds or less. So I could just go about my day, and there you have it. So again, perfect vacation hair. We are headed into summer. So make sure to pick up this Kinky straight half wig from ISEE Hair. The texture is just absolutely gorgeous and perfect for summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Make sure to check out the description box. I'm gonna put a link to ISEE Hair, a link to this specific Kinky curly half wig. Of course, a promo code will be listed down in the description box as well. So again, $145 on the website, but check the description box because I will have a promo code there for you to get you some money off. But that concludes this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all next time.